This is the only star that I can see in the sky, and it's the Messiah, the King Messiah from Revelation 1:13 through 14 and 14:14. Is it moving? It looks like it's moving. I'm keeping my hand still. It's the only star that I can see in the whole sky because the solar wind fires on the west coast have put a haze over the sky. So it looks foggy. I'm keeping my hand still. And usually when I record the UFO above my home, it jumps back and forth when I look back at it. Now for sure this star is moving, and I just saw it jump right there. I'm not moving my hands. And you can hear an airplane flying over my head. I'm gonna go to the airplane. That's the airplane. I'm in my yard, okay? So I'm going back to the Messiah's UFO. Let me get this right. See the haze? There's a fog, fire, smoke haze. Okay, let me get this right. Where is the star at? There it is, okay. I'm gonna put it right here. I lost it. Hold on. My video might stop because I don't have that much memory on my phone. Okay, I see it. It's right here. There it is. It's right in the center. I'm not going to move my arms, and my arms might get tired. I'm going to stay still. Let's see if it moves. It looks like it's moving up to the left. It's definitely moving up to the left. It's moving up to the left. It's going up, 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 up. I'm keeping my arms still. It's moving up. It's less than a quarter up from the top of my screen. Now it just jumped down fast and hit to the left, and now it's going back up and it's going to the left. It's moving for sure. I'm not moving my arms. I'm not moving my arms. I'm gonna move my arms now because it's about to get out of focus. It's supposed to be in the center. I'm moving it back into the center. Hold on. Okay. Ow. My arms, my shoulders are hurting. Okay, it's in the center. It's moving back up. I'm not moving my arms. And again, this is the only star that I can see in all this fog haze. And it's going back up to the top. It's the Messiah's UFO. I'm not moving my arms. Okay, now again, I'm in my yard, my front yard. And it's, oh my God, I see an angel. Do you see the angel flying at the bottom? I was just trying to, I just saw an angel flying, a nano angel. Or was that a gnat? I just saw it. But I came out here to record that. When I was recording the Messiah's UFO, which is still up there, but I'm not going to record that right now. When I brought it down right here and was moving around, wait, I see it. See the angel? See the angel moving? Wait, I see it. See the angel? See the angel moving? That's a nano angel. Towards the bottom. Do you see it moving? That's a nano angel. This is my first time seeing a nano angel on camera. Now I'm going to go try to walk over to it. I see it on camera. Wait, I can't move. When I move, I'm just going to stay here. You see it flying in the middle of my driveway? The little white light? That is a nano angel. Let's see what it does. It looks exactly like the UFO. That's why I said back in my other videos that the nano angels look like UFOs. So this is the solar radiation. These are the nano angels in the solar radiation. These are the nano angels from the gamma radiation. It's going to the side. I lost it. It's gone. It's gone. Now, there it is again. There's one. Okay. I can't move. I gotta keep my arms still. If I move, it's going by the cat food. I feed this cat every day. It's right above the cat food. It's going. There's two. I see one. Okay, the one by the cat food, I see it. And then there's one to the right of the cat food, diagonally in the dark, but it's bright over to the side. These are not reflections. Because I came out here to look how it's moving. If it's a reflection, why is it moving? I'm not moving my arms. They move just like the UFO. And in my other video, I said the nano angels and the UFOs are connected. This is the cat food. It was flying above the cat food. And I feed this cat. But the cat ran away when I came outside to re-record what I just saw when I was looking back at the UFO video. Now, when I was looking back at the UFO video that I just recorded, when I was showing the video right here, I saw a nano angel flying around. And then I was like, wait a second. Is that my phone? Is it a light on my phone? Like when I record video, is there a flashlight on my phone flashing? And there's not, because now I'm using the video recording and I don't see no light. I don't see anything moving this time. So it could have been dust on my phone. But I didn't want to delete it or wait. Right there in the center of the driveway. It's moving by itself. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I am. I cleaned my phone off. That's a nano angel. And it didn't pop up until I was about to stop the video. It's moving up and down. Can I move over to it? See, when I move, it moves. It's over there to the right. I'm being still. So if I'm being still and it's coming from my phone, why is it moving around? I'm not moving my arms. Now it's moving into the bright light. I have on reading glasses, so I can't really see unless I look at it move. I gotta stay still. If I move, it moves. But it's not coming from my camera. It's moving all around. That stupid dog. I can't stand that dog. Okay. So, it's moving by itself. I'm keeping my arms still. I got my elbows against my stomach. You see it move. Now it done went into the dark area, the shadow area. I'm not moving my arms. And there's two of them. There's another one over there. They're moving together. I'm not moving. But when I move my phone, they move. See? So if I move over here. Okay. I move my phone over to the left and they move with me. What's this over here? Now that's the reflection from my car. This is my car. So that's not them. Now if I go right here in the center of my driveway, why don't I see them right now? And my phone just jumped a little bit, but why don't I see them right now? So if it was coming from my phone, why don't I see them right now? And why didn't I see them at first in the beginning of this video? So, because I want to prove things to myself. And people love to call me crazy when I be backing stuff up. So where are they now? Where are those nano angels now, if it was part of my phone? So, those were nano angels. And now I got